Samsung has done it again. They've released a foldable phone that doesn't look like it's 3 years old and packs some serious upgrades. Enter the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, the device that feels like what we wanted from the Galaxy Z Fold 6. While the Galaxy Z Fold 6 introduced a few updates, Samsung continues to deliver the best foldable experience, thanks to its software's flexibility. However, when the Pixel 9 Pro Fold arrived, it became a tough competitor for my attention. The Z Fold Special Edition is proof that Samsung knows what its customers want, a foldable that checks all the boxes. With its official launch set for October 25th, exclusively in South Korea, the Z Fold Special Edition will come in a sleek black shadow color, priced at around $2,000. Samsung's executive VP, Sungtae Lim, described it as a gesture of gratitude for Samsung's home market, and right now, there's no news about a global release. So, what's new with this special edition? Let's break it down. Bigger and better display, the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition features a 6.5-inch outer and 8-inch inner display, bringing it back in line with rivals like the OnePlus Open and Pixel 9 Pro Fold. With a 21:9 aspect ratio on the cover screen, the visuals are truly immersive. Camera upgrade, this foldable now has a powerful 200-megapixel main camera, matching the Galaxy S24 Ultra specs, an exciting leap from the 50-megapixel camera on the Z Fold 6. Finally, a foldable camera that can compete with Samsung's best. Slimmer and lighter design, folded, it's only 10.6 mm thick, shaving off 1.5 mm from the Z Fold 6. At 236 grams, it's also slightly lighter, making one-handed use easier than ever. While we may not see a global release of this special edition, it's a glimpse into the future of foldable tech. For now, it remains exclusive to South Korea and possibly China. The price tag may seem high, but the foldable market is still a niche. Meanwhile, the more compact Galaxy Z Flip continues to steal the spotlight with a 60-40 split in sales, favoring the Flip over the Fold. An $1,800 device like the Z Fold Special Edition sets a new standard, but it also raises questions. Why doesn't Samsung go even further with a worldwide release? And how would sales fare if they did? Stay tuned for more updates on Samsung's latest tech. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified about all our exciting content.